Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will be showing you guys how I do this cute, fun, protective style. So if you want to learn how to do this look, keep watching. Okay, so first we're going to start by having my hair down so I can part my hair. Okay, I take my comb and go on it like right here and part that. A little bit more over. Okay, that's good enough. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to brush my hair down. Okay, part it again. See how deep do I want it? Let's see. Okay, that's good. Back. Okay, now that I got my piece that I want to use for my swoop bang, actually, I still don't think it's deep enough. I think I need to get it a little bit more deep. Okay. That should be good. Put this to the front. I'm gonna grab the other piece. Let's put that to the back. Alright. I'm gonna spray it with my spray bottle. Just a little bit. And brush it. Okay, then I'm gonna take my free spray. Oh. Okay, I pushed that. Ooh. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Okay, I'm gonna bobby pin. Pin that. Take another one. And another one. Just for this piece. Alright, it's good actually for right now. And I take this extra hair and I just put it in the back. Alright, so before we go any further in this video, I'm gonna need you guys to hit the subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Okay, sorry for that little interruption, but we're back. Okay, so now I'm just taking the rest of my hair that's not part of the swooped bang, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start pulling it up so I can get it ready to, you know, put it in a bun. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my hard brush and go ahead and start brushing my hair, just to start brushing out, you know, any lumps and stuff like that, and start smoothing my hair out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get my spray bottle and go ahead and spray my hair. And yeah, my spray bottle has a little bit of conditioner in it, so that's why I was shaking it. But yeah, I'm just gonna spray the rest of my hair so I can get it nice and moisturized. Okay, so now that it's all sprayed and moisturized, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hard brush and go ahead and brush my hair again, just to smooth out any lumps and just make sure it's, you know, nice and smooth and, you know, cute. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and grab my hair tie and go ahead and put my hair in a ponytail. Finish pinning this back piece. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take that piece that I had pinned back earlier and go ahead and let that out, and then I just take that excess hair and go ahead and twist it, and then I just keep twisting it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and pin it in the back with a bobby pin. Okay, I use a lot of bobby pins to pin that piece back, but that's just because I'm trying to make sure, you know, it stays down flat and not noticeable. Okay, now that I got a million bobby pins in my head, I guess, yeah, let's just add another one. Why not? Okay, so now I'm just going in and just gonna fix any imperfections that I see, and yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going and getting my ponytail ready to be moisturized. I'm gonna get a spray bottle and spray it down. So I get my spray bottle, I go ahead and spray my ponytail. I spray it pretty, I don't know, I spray it a lot. And just to make sure I get, all the frizzy pieces and just get it nice and moisturized. I kind of scrunch the ends, but that's just to make sure like they're nice and moisturized and not like frizzy looking on the ends. Okay, so now I'm just going to get my conditioner. I just use the Equate coconut milk kind conditioner. I got this up from Walmart. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and take that conditioner and put it on my ponytail. I spread it through my ponytail. I just go ahead and put it all over, just making sure everything is covered and coated with conditioner so it can be nice and moisturized, and it like defines my curls better. Okay, so now I'm just gonna lightly twist my hair and go ahead and just like throw it around and just create a messy bun. This part, it takes a little time because you're basically just playing with your hair and just making it until the way that you like it. So okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my scrunchie and go ahead and put it over the bun to secure it. And then I kind of just mess with the bun, just fluff it out a little bit, just kind of play with it until, it looks the way I'd like for it to look. Okay, this little baby curl, it just keeps popping out, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a bobby pin and pin that baby down. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and get my clips. I actually got these clips from Walmart. I believe they're like $2. Very inexpensive, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take those clips and start putting it in my swooped bang. Okay, so I actually didn't like the clips like spread out the way it was, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just move them in like closer so they're just, I don't know, I think it'll look better closer together. Okay, yeah, that looks much better. So now I'm just gonna add like a couple more clips, and yeah. Okay, so now it's time for the baby hair. So I just take my toothbrush and I go ahead and spray it with my spray bottle and go ahead and just like brush out my baby hairs just to get them ready to be like gelled down. So now I just get my gel. I'm going to use the Main Choice, the Biotin Infused Styling Gel, and that's what I'm going to use to lay my baby hairs. I like this gel because it's like promotes hair growth. So I just take my toothbrush and go ahead and like swoop them. I use my finger and kind of just like hold it there while I swoop it. I don't really know how to like explain it, but you know, you see. Do y'all see that little baby curl? It's so cute. But yeah, we're gonna lay that thing down though. So I'm just getting a little bit more gel and going and finishing my baby hairs. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take my toothbrush and go ahead and just like smooth any imperfections that I see, just to make sure everything, you know, is on fleek. Okay, so the last step, I just take my freeze spray and go ahead and just spray it all over just to make sure everything stays put. Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think of this look. I think it's very cute, very fun, very girly, and yeah, I love it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so that's it for this video. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.